Yesaya tap Nkore Media TV for real kano chimantu tukunze kuletera jakabi munonga abanda ubona nabayayi bariki akajya Dr. Storage baiza we banandakora imbaga kwata filimu nkebyo in fact kwata munonge mukoro just we tapping hina batakaje bugwaho abantu basa kuchikwasaganya. So this is a kind of show kakandaga makuru negatinisa aho kugira ngo abantu barugireyo abarongo babiri bakarwe babashije Batahize Omukaze Omwe. So tutwentira stories nyingi munonga zikwata abarongo nibasharinga ebijwaro nibajwara hamwe nibatambura hamwe nibashwanaje konkechi twetaka kirebire so kurugirira mu kutugwamana bafite Afrimax kandi kugeza bakavangana mungo muri Rwanda rwo gushowiza amakoraga mbweno nangwa nabiki bo bakabene bakunda no bintu aba twin sisters bajya ngo areka twagumushije umwe konkese cyaba brothers kutasa so muntu kutasa mu icyo kitakabire hwaha so ngo urugendo rukatandaka umukini bamwita Mary Josiane akana dating umwe abarongo nkuko itaramanyire ngo umnywando we kandi ayineyo umurongo mutahi wako wakata kucimanya just we akamusugura so kuyabire na dating one day as she was on her dating date Josiane met the other twin babugana bakwata n'umunda yamwereka ravu so we tarafire yumbwene ibi tarafireyo kandi bo bagumira mu batandukanye urugendo rwabo rwa ravu ngo kucenge ibintu bya ravu so they love boom until Shoked. When she met me the twin brothers together, she had nothing to do because she was unable to distinguish the two. Since the love between the three was beyond their words, they decided to stay together. Red was also happy about the brother's decision to marry her. So kuriya kuyamwanjurire brother we uriya bro we yamukunda munonga ko kwenda no kukunda uriya kwenda no kucirasha no gwa bamusigwire so bajangwa mwe no butwanankire ubu cyabire kiti reka tukore ki reka twena tumusigaze. The twins have also agreed to sleep with their wife in turns, which means when one sleeps with the lady, the other sleeps in the other room to avoid possible conflict of interest in the bed. Below is their story. So tino kuna kuchi bashoborera mukacenga but abamwe mwacenga ni mahisa tino kuna kuchi ni mahisa mwacenga but tino kuna kuchishobora cyandenga nyunkanye abinje nibatekateka ngo tukikubaho but the impossibilities become possible. So you never know. It's true. A challenge too. You can watch Nkore Media. We are here for you every day, every time. God bless.